Galaxy M12 brings a massive upgrade to the display with a 90Hz refresh rate, a true 48-megapixel quad camera setup, a power-efficient 8nm processor, and a massive battery. Everything reloaded, but at a price that's just too good to resist. But before we go there, let me tell you why you should buy the new Galaxy M12. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a display you will definitely fall in love with. Its 16.55cm Infinity V display supports a refresh rate of 90Hz. Yes, that's true. It's something you have come to expect from rather expensive smartphones. The display on the Samsung Galaxy M12 is so smooth, scrolling feels like magic. This means you will be able to browse through large set of photos, videos and other multimedia content on your phone easily. You will be able to scroll through apps on your phone the same way. Apart from scrolling, the immersive display on the Galaxy M12 is perfect for watching movies and your favorite TV shows on the go. The display is designed to let you enjoy your favorite content without anything to bother you. Smartphone cameras have completely changed the way we take pictures, but affordable smartphones lack the ability to let you take amazing pictures. Samsung Galaxy M12 is now going to change all of that with its true 48-megapixel quad camera setup powered by Samsung's ISOCELL Plus technology. And trust me when I say it, whether it's day or night, Samsung Galaxy M12 cameras can handle everything. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a 48-megapixel primary camera with the upgraded GM2 sensor. There is also a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 123 degrees of view and 2-megapixel depth and macro cameras, accompanying the primary sensor. Its GM2 sensor can help capture photos in 48-megapixel resolution, enabling sharp and clear photos every single time. With its true 48-megapixel quad rear camera setup, you can capture stunning photos and impress all your friends on your social media feeds. The camera enables you to capture photos with excellent details with every single shot. It's just amazing what you can do with the Galaxy M12. It is powered by segment-first 8nm Exynos processor. What does it mean for you? Well, let's just say you don't have to worry about power efficiency or performance anymore. The chipset is packed with 2 GHz octa-core processor, which makes everything from multitasking to gaming a breeze, and is supported by a blazing fast LPDDR4X RAM. Its 8nm Exynos processor is highly power efficient, making the phone's battery last for much longer so that you can get things done. You can do everything from running your favorite apps to watching videos endlessly without the phone slowing you down or the battery giving up on you. One of the most annoying problems with affordable smartphones is the lack of good battery life. Samsung Galaxy M12 has something for you here as well. It packs a massive 6000 mAh battery that can last for an entire day with heavy usage, and even more than that with light usage. Its amazing 8nm Exynos processor is highly power efficient, ensuring your Galaxy M12 can go on endlessly for work or play. Galaxy M12 also ships with a fast 15-watt charger that lets you quickly charge the phone in no time. The phone supports an adaptive fast charging technology that ensures both safe and quick charging so that you don't have to keep the phone plugged in for a longer period of time. Galaxy M12 runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 user interface. It's fast, fluid and highly responsive. On top of that, the 90Hz refresh rate makes it even more fluid.